Good. Hey, this is David Ing. I'm working on a Mazda 3 today in the junkyard, and this one is a little different than the other ones that you see. It is we're doing a trunk latch. So you'll see the trunk latch here. It's under this carpeting. I took these clips out already. There's clips mounted. So if you pull that down, you can see the trunk latch here. Now I have this car has a keyed access to the trunk, so it's a manual trunk latch. Usually, if you don't see that keyhole, it's a powered latch, and you don't need to use the key to open the trunk. But this one's manual. So if you look underneath, can you bring the camera up here? And you'll see that underneath that key, where the keyhole is, there's a clip that you remove first. There's this metal bar that goes up to the latch. Okay, it's a 3-pin connector, but just 2 of the pins are active. And you're gonna use it's held in by 2 10mm bolts that are right here. So I have one. I have an impact in the junkyard. So we're gonna take those out. You wiggle it out, and then you disconnect the back of the latch. So that's it. Installation is reverse of removal. And so be careful when you buy these. And if you need the manual one, you'll see that there's a lever on the back for that. And I'll have the part number in the description. So that'll be it. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.